Welcome back. A local public health director who made headlines for his controversial views on hepatitis A is raking in hundreds of thousands of dollars for 3 jobs. And a special I-team investigation found your tax dollars are paying for it all. This is Dr. Douglas Holt.
Do you have the flu shot?
He's the director of the Hillsborough County Health Department. He also holds side jobs as a professor at the University of South Florida and a doctor at Tampa General Hospital. The deal, state approved, earns him a whopping $385,000 salary. That's more than the governor and lieutenant governor earn combined. The I-team found $285,000 of that money pays his health director's salary. That's nearly twice the paycheck of directors in the state's largest 3 counties. Dr. Bob Wallace, a former senior physician at Pinellas County Health Department, says he was surprised to hear Dr. Holt had more than one job. Is someone who's in charge of a county as large as Hillsborough County have the time to also be a physician at TGH and also an instructor at USF?
I don't see how that's possible. I can't see how someone has 2 other jobs.
So how did Dr. Holt land such a big salary? The I-team uncovered he signed a contract with the state to make him a temporary USF employee under a Florida law designed to, quote, encourage economical and effective utilization of public employees. In other words, this deal is supposed to save taxpayers money. The contract also says Dr. Holt is supposed to work full-time as a health director daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But his office calendars obtained by the I-team shows weekly and monthly appointments at USF and Tampa General Hospital in the middle of the workday. One of those bi-monthly appointments, serving on the hospital's MRSA improvement team. But Dr. Holt did not alert the public of a MRSA case at TGH in November, even though the CDC says the infection is a serious threat to public health. And Dr. Holt still has not issued any alerts about the ongoing epidemic of hepatitis A cases in the county.
Drug use.
The I-team asked to speak to Dr. Holt, who said he was on vacation, but would discuss arranging an interview when he returned. The health department later emailed declining all interviews on behalf of Dr. Holt and defended his salary as, quote, reflective of his knowledge and experience in a position he has held since 1996. Earlier this year, Holt made headlines after he said gay men are a high-risk category of spreading hepatitis A, a claim refuted by medical experts.
If you're going to fish, you need to go where the fish are. Half of them report having drug use. The others would be a mixture of homelessness and particular sexual activities. The classic category is men having sex with men.
The way he made his comment and the way I heard it, I heard a homophobe speaking. Being a gay physician myself and having been around this community for 46 years, I was shocked not only at the way he said it, but how uncomfortable he was when he said it. It made me really question his motive.
At the time, several local restaurant employees had tested positive for hepatitis A, but Dr. Holt only publicly identified one of those restaurants, Hamburger Mary's, a popular Ybor City spot known for its drag queen shows.
I really feel that Hamburger Mary's was targeted when I heard that there were at least 5 other restaurants that had people who had tested positive for hepatitis A.
Earlier this month, the Hillsborough County Health Department identified a new restaurant with an infected worker. But Dr. Wallace believes it's too little, too late. Do you think he should resign?
I would request that he resign.
No one at USF or Tampa General Hospital would speak with us on camera. The hospital says Dr. Holt's work there is contracted through the university, and the health department says Dr. Holt is not the only county health director with this kind of deal, but the agency would not name any of those other directors or answer any questions about Dr. Holt's contract. To see the Hillsborough County Health Department's full statement about Dr. Holt's contract and that contract itself, along with Holt's calendars, go to abcactionnews.com/I-team.